have a question from circle geometry, which has two parts, and we'll see how to solve these. The question says two circles, centers O and C of radius 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively touch at Q. So this is the point of contact of both the circles, where PT is a tangent to both circles. We can see that the circle A is touching the line at P and circle B is touching the line at T. The first question says write down the distance OC. We can see that OC can be written as OQ length plus QC length, as OQ and QC are nothing but the radius of the two circles respectively. So OC is just going to be the sum of the radius, and we get this as 10 centimeter. So the solution for part A is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the length of PT, which is a little tricky part, and we'll see how to solve this. To find the length PT, I'm going to join or drop a perpendicular from C on the line OP. That is basically the radius of first circle. When we have dropped the perpendicular, I'm going to mark this point as B, and we can see that BC length is equals to PT. And if we can find the length BC, we know what is the length of PT. To find BC, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem, and I can write that BC square is equals to OC square minus OB square. Now we do know what is the length of OC, but we are not aware of the length of OB, which we will have to find first, and then further we can find the length of BC. So as OP is equals to OB plus BP. OP is 6 centimeter. This is equals to OP plus the length of BP will be equals to the length CT. So we can say it is 4 centimeter. So the length of OB will be getting as 2 centimeter. Here we can apply it further. OC being 10 centimeter, we'll take 10 square minus OB will be 2 square. So we have 100 minus 4. So we are going to get 96 centimeter for BC square. Now to find the length BC, we're going to have to take square root of 96. I'm sorry, this will be centimeter. So BC is root 96 centimeter, which is nothing but the length of PT. So we can write PT is equals to root 96. And after calculating, we're going to get this value as 9.79 centimeter. And we can round off the value and we'll be getting 9.8 centimeter as the answer. Thank you.